I'm back with another ridiculously cheap, and I mean cheap, keyboard that has the retro theme written all over. Remind me of the Commodore 64 back in the days with Dart Command. Yeah, those are the days gone. No wonder why retro remain close to our heart. This keyboard is for those who reminisce the 80s. Pick this up on Amazon during Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal for only $50. Couldn't hardly believe this. With price like this come with more cons than pro. I will discuss this later on after the unboxing. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, and afterward I will do the typing test and what kind of switches are under the hood. Let's get into this. More con than pro. Come bare bone as you can get. Not provided is the keycap pull out. I'm not complaining here. Most of the time, who need it anyway? Low profile with no damper within the keyboard. Will definitely echo during typing, that's for sure. The housing for the USB dongle placement head is flawed. The dongle is like a huge mole sticking out of the keyboard like a sore thumb. You have to take out the USB dongle and place it on the desk somewhere when you charge or hotwire your connection to your computer. This is a bummer knowing you might lose it somewhere down the line. I guess back then the design hasn't perfected it like it does now. Another thing I want to point out, my keyboard has a couple of glitches here and there. The back key for the delete sometimes delete not backward but forward. The forward arrow key most of the time go to the end of the page. Like when I was watching a YouTube video, I sometimes like to forward a little and skip to get to the main point. By pressing the forward arrow key, it ended the video. Let me know in the comments section if you have this problem or my keyboard is a lemon. Pro. Knowing all of this with its major flaw, the appealing design is what kept me from returning this. Besides, this keyboard is only $50. No big deal. Oh, by the way, you are not getting a dust cover with this keyboard. For sure, somewhere in the near future when I have the time, I will have to do some modding to this keyboard. Put a damper under the board and replace the switches to a stiffer switches. Let's just hope this keyboard is as easy taking it apart without any complication. Please click the like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned for the typing test and what is under the hood.